chemical bonding chapter, we had actually unfinished one topic, that is shapes of molecule, isn't it? I told you that we will discuss in next class, right? That is also part of your CT exam, isn't it? If you remember, we have uploaded the materials already, right? We have started this chemical bonding chapter, and we have completed the molecular orbital theory as well as the bond order, magnetic property of different molecules. So today we'll just try to have some review on shapes of molecule. That is also called as VSEPR theory. Do you know what is VSEPR theory?
Sir, valential electron pair repulsion theory.
Very good. What does it means? Anyone?
So it explains the precedence of repulsion between the valential electron, as in the repulsion of a lone pair, and the lone pair is greater than a lone pair and a bond pair, and so on. So.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, basically whatever you told exact, that is correct. In the bonding or in the compound or in the molecules, there are different type of electrons, right? Some are lone pair, though those doesn't participate in the bonding. Some are bond pair, right? So there is a repulsion between the electrons everywhere, in the atom also. You write that in the atoms there are repulsion between the electrons. Here also the repulsion between lone pair and lone pair, bond pair, and bond pair. These three type of repulsion may be happen because either there is lone pair electron or the bond pair electron, right? So that repulsion will be discussed in this theory, that is called actually valence shell. You know what is valence shell? What is valence shell?
Yes, sir.
What is valence shell? Can you?
The outermost shell of electron.
Very good. So the significant role of any electron, the significant role of an electron actually comes from the valence shell electron. Okay, not from the innermost or inner shell. So the most functions done in the compound or in the molecule or in the chemistry is done by the valence shell electron. Okay, so this valence shell electron, when there is pair of electron pair or as a lone pair or bond pair, those repulsion will be counted in this valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Okay, so the overall summary of this theory can be written as lone pair repulsion will be greater than lone pair bond pair repulsion will be greater than bond pair repulsion. I hope this is clear to you, right? Lone pair repulsion, lone pair bond pair repulsion, or bond pair repulsion can be written in short like this. I hope you can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we take an example in BF3, we know that in the BF3 the hybridization happens, there is sp2 hybridization. Okay, So in case of sp2 hybridization, you know that the arrangement will be, what is the name of this arrangement? Do you know this arrangement? Do you know this name of this arrangement? Trigonal or triangular, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you consider this is a trigonal shape and all angle is 120 degree, right? All angle is 120 degree. There is no lone pair exist in this BF3, isn't it? No lone pair, right? So in case of a lone pair, only there is presence of bond pair. How many bond pair is there?
Three.
And these three bond pair will repel each other at the same strength, isn't it? So these two bond pair will repel each other. These two bond pair will repel each other. These two bond pair will also repel each other with the same strength, isn't it? So the 120 degree, this bond angle will be exist, right? There will be no distortion in this shape. Okay, is it clear? So due to not presence of any lone pair and all bond pair, so bond pair will repel each other simultaneously with the same strength, and there will be no distortion happens in the structure of BF3. I hope it's clear, right? How about CH4? Can you explain in accordance with the BF3? Who can? Please, someone, please raise your hand. Who can answer? According to BF3, I have already explained about the BF3. কেউ একজন পারবা তোমরা? একজন বলো।
Sir, আমি বলবো sir?
আবরার মাহির ইসাম, yeah.
Sir, we have sir 3-4 bond pairs electrons here which repel each other at the same force. So sir, the angle between them stays sir constant, which is 109.5 degrees. Sir.
Yes, what is the name of this structure?
Sir, tetrahedron, sir.
Sir, tetrahedron.
Very good. So who called tetrahedral?
Sir, me, sir.
Afia. Okay.
Sir, আগেরটাকে স্যার আমরা কি স্যার পিরামিডিয়াল বলতে পারি না স্যার? ট্রায়াগোনাল না বলে স্যার? BF3 স্যার?
Pyramid. Yes, pyramid. Yes, you can say. But that is actually when it is actually pyramid shape normally does not go to the regular shape. When it is distorted shape, for example H2O, okay, H2O normally it can be happen in the as we assume that this can be in a linear shape, isn't it? H2O, if there is no distortion, if there is no repulsion, then H2O should have been the linear shape, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
When it is distorted, that time only we can say that is pyramid shape. So pyramid shape is not regular shape basically, okay? Is it clear? So trigonal or triangular shape is actually the regular shape, and the tetrahedral shape is regular shape for sp3, trigonal is sp2, and linear shape is for sp, right? but when from the linear shape it become distorted and form some angle, that time we can say that is pyramid shape. Clear, right? Okay, so
Yes,
next
sir.
is so there is no presence of lone pair electron, isn't it? That's why this tetrahedral shape will have no distortion, and the 109 degree 0.5 109.5 degree bond angle will be existed, right? How about NH3? Someone other than Abrar and Mahir. Sorry, Abrar and Afia. Raise your hand.
Sir, is it pyramidal or distorted tetrahedral?
Very good. It's not pyramid. Pyramid not for everything. When the linear form will be distorted, that time we will say pyramid. But this is basically the tetrahedral shape, distorted tetrahedral shape. Okay, distorted
Yes, sir.
tetrahedral shape. So basically, this is this could be tetrahedral in the regular shape, right? Why it is tetrahedral? Can someone say?
There is three
There's a lone pair
one pair and one non-pair.
So because of sp3 hybridization.
sp3 hybridization. This is actually main main reason is, who said sp3?
Sir, I'm Sir Abrar.
Abrar. Afia, roll number 5. You had some question. You raised your hand, right?
No, sir. I actually wanted to answer.
Okay, thank you. So, okay, so I hope you understood. The main reason is this is tetrahedral shape, right? Tetrahedral shape due to the sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization, actually, the hybridization will actually determine which shape it will be, and then lately what it will be, due to the presence of the lone pair electron, there will be some distortion, but the main reason of the shape is hybridization, isn't it? Okay, so here sp3 hybridization. So in case of sp3, we know that the distinguished shape of sp3 is tetrahedral, right? So how it will be, in three side that will be hydrogen, and another side in the tetrahedral shape, another side that will be in lone pair, right? Now comes the point of distortion, how it will be. In regular shape, what is the bond angle for this one?
Sir, 109 degrees 5 minutes.
Very good. And in this case, it is showing that 107 here, right?
Yes, sir.
How about this one?
Sir, same angle, 107 degrees.
It is also 107. How about this one?
Sir, same.
Same 107. How about this one?
So all of them are same.
107. This two answer is not correct. Okay.
Different.
Yes. So can you explain now? This can be a question of concern that your tetrahedral shape was all were 109, right? This is 109. This is 109. This is 109 and 5 to be precise, and 109 and 0.5, right? So if it is repelled each other, right, and it becomes squeezed, isn't it? It is actually compressed. The bond angle is compressed, squeezed, isn't it? That's why it was previously 109, right? 109.5. This is also 109.5, but due to the repulsion of this lone pair, these two become squeezed or compressed, and become 107. Then how it be, what will be the value of the bond angle of this one?
Sir, we need to calculate.
Calculate. Will it be more than 109? Will it be still 109 or will it be less than 109? Which one?
Sir, more than 100.
More than
Sir.
109.
More than 109. Have you understood the whole point? Okay, so where actually the repulsion happen, the repulsion is happening here, right? Repulsion is happening here. These two places. That's why these two become squeezed, isn't it?
Yes,
I hope
sir.
it's clear. So the latest version of the shape, latest version of shape of this tetrahedral shape, we say that is distorted tetrahedral shape. Okay. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's come to another example. H2O. Do you know the shape of carbon dioxide?
Sir, carbon
Linear.
dioxide is linear.
Linear. So why it will be the H2O, this water will be the tetrahedral shape rather than linear? This is similar like CO2, right?
Sir, presence
It is
of two
V-shape.
lone pair bonds, sir.
Again, please.
Sir, presence of two lone pair bonds, sir.
Again,
No, sir,
this
it's
reason, sir,
because
this
of
is more distorted, sir.
hybridization.
because of
hybridization.
Hydrogen bond.
Because of the, again, the exact answer is still to be come.
Sir, hydrogen bond.
No, sir, because of the hybridization, different
Because of
hybridization.
hybridization. Which hybridization?
So it has sp2 and sp3.
sp3 hybridization. Okay.
sp3 and carbon dioxide has sp.
Carbon dioxide has sp hybridization. That's why this H2O should have tetrahedral in general shape, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in general, we can say that H2O is sp3 hybridized orbital. So it should be a tetrahedral in shape, right? But there comes two lone pair, presence of two lone pair, right? Now you can explain. We have already explained for NH3, right? How about the H2O, presence of two lone pair? What will happen now?
So there will be lone pair repulsion as well as lone pair bond pair repulsion.
Very good. So most repulsion happen here, right? How about this one? These two repel each other most, isn't it? These two are lone pair, right? Lone pair repulsion will be the highest one,
Greatest.
and it will be
A
then
little less than
Lone pair bond pair
less
repulsion.
than lone pair repulsion, because this is lone pair bond pair repulsion. And what will happen for this bond?
there will be bond pair repulsion.
The least repulsion.
It will be the squeezed, right? And
Yes, sir.
these two bond angle will come closer than the actual one, but normal tetrahedral shape. Then in case of normal tetrahedral shape, it will be 109.5. So it will be more squeezed due to the presence of two lone pair, right? So it will be 104, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if we draw the previous one, if we go to the previous one again. If we omit this lone pair, then we can say this this formation is as pyramid. Okay, only this part. lower part. And how about this one? If we omit this part, then after squeezing this one, what we can say?
V-shaped. V-shaped.
V shape. Very good. So these are not actually regular shape, V shape or pyramid shape. These are basically some after the distortion. We can to explain the shape, we can mention like this. Okay. Otherwise, this is, we can directly say as distorted tetrahedral shape. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Distorted tetrahedral shape. Okay. So, is there any question regarding the three arrangement of shape and why the lone pair is forming, having some repulsion effect on the bond pair, and how much it is? Do you have any question? Okay, now if we ask you to another type of same type of element, molecule like NF3, okay, then how can you explain that one? Anyone?
It's similar like NH3.
Hello.
So it will show sp2 hybridization NH3.
হ্যাঁ বলো,
this-
বলো।
This shape will be, sir, like
কিভাবে হবে সেটা বলো।
sir,
কিভাবে হবে সেটা বলো। কিভাবে মানে কিভাবে এক্সপ্লেন করবা সেটা বলো। How you may explain?
sir, this angle should be 109.28 degree, but due to some long
Why
period
it will be 109? First you have to answer that one, okay? Why?
yes, sir, because this is sp3 hybridization, and
sp3
sp3 hybridization,
hybridization. Okay, very good.
all the angles are 109.28 degrees on the
Right,
109.28
right.
degree. But due to presence of one lone pair electron, there will be some repulsion between the lone pair and ball pair electron.
Right.
And for this reason, there will some squeeze occur, and this and for this reason, there will be the angle between the bond pair electron will be 107 and 107, and the between the lone pair electron it will increase a bit, and it may be on 111 or on some
Excellent. Thank you.
on 13, sir.
Okay, so if we give other than this given examples here, I hope you can explain also, right? You have to answer just with the similar fashion. You have to guess, you have to calculate the value which hybridization it will go through, and then you can answer with that one, right? Is it clear to you? If you
Yes, sir.
change the molecule, I hope you can still answer with the explanation. The shape of PCl5, it's actually straightforward. Inside there will be one triangular shape, and other two side with the triangular in both sides there will be perpendicular chlorine angle, isn't it? Do you know what is the shape, name of this shape?
Trigonal bipyramidal.
Yes, trigonal bipyramidal, or triangular bipyramid also you can say. Okay, so this is just a regular shape for any, and if there is a presence of any lone pair, then only there will be some distortion, but here there is no presence of lone pair, that's why it is regular 120 angle for this this angle, right? This is 120, right? How about this one?
Same, sir.
Same.
Same.
This is also on 120. How about this one?
90 degree.
90 degree. How about this one?
So 90.
90 degrees, sir.
Look like less than 90, right? But this is perpendicular to this plane, isn't it? this is
For
a plane,
2D
right?
information.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is a plane, and this is perpendicular to this plane. So it is 90, right? This is also 90, right? This is also 90. So I hope the things is clear to you. Any question? This is all. Shape of molecule is done. If you have any question. No question, right?
So what is the bond angle between NF3 means N and F?
NF3, right?
Yes, sir.
N and F, right? Very good. সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাদের চিন্তা করতে হবে এখানে H তো H হচ্ছে F এর electronegativity বেশি, right? So this due to that electronegativity differences, there will be more in repulsion with the lone pair and bond pair, and that's why the bond angle will be more squeezed. Bond angle, bond pair repulsion will be more, and the bond angle will be more squeezed, and that will be 102. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Due to the electronegativity difference. Another thing is same. Other explanation is same. So, any other question? How about the SO2? What will be the bond angle of SO2, and what will be the shape of SO2? Sulfur
Yes, sir.
dioxide.
So is it sp2?
SO2.
Is it SP?
SP.
carbon dioxide?
Right. Right. Then linear,
It's
right?
what?
SO2.
Yes, sir. Linear.
It will be linear. So you have to consider which type of hybridization is going on, and then you can answer. Okay. Okay, let's conclude here for shape of molecule and your syllabus for CT2, right? CT2 will be until here. Okay, this shape of molecule. These two materials is uploaded chemical bonding. The first material was named as chemical bonding 1, that is classical theory plus orbital theory, right? BBT and hybridization. And second materials uploaded, that is named as chemical bonding 2, molecular orbital theory and shape of molecule, isn't it? So these two materials will be for your CT2 exam, syllabus for your CT2 exam. And this is actually these two materials actually from the chapter, complete the chapters, chemical bonding chapters. Okay.
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন স্যার
বলো।
স্যার SO2 তে আমরা লিনিয়ার স্ট্রাকচার পাই, বাট স্যার SO2 তে তো স্যার সালফারের লোন পেয়ার ইলেকট্রন আছে। এখন লোন পেয়ারের রিপালশনের জন্য স্যার লিনিয়ার থেকে একটু বেন্ড হয়ে যায় না?
SO2 থেকে সালফারের রিপালশন লোন পেয়ার আছে কিভাবে বলো তো?
স্যার লোন পেয়ার তো আছে স্যার।
কিভাবে বলো?
আমরা
সালফারের ইয়ে কি?
স্যার লাস্ট অরবিটালে স্যার লাস্ট শেলে থাকে স্যার 3s2 3p4।
সালফারের ইলেকট্রনিক ইয়ে কত? কয়টা ইলেকট্রন আছে?
স্যার বাইরে আছে 6টা স্যার।
বাইরে আছে 6টা, রাইট?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Yes, sir. Lone pair exit করে।
লোন পেয়ার যদি এক্সিস্ট করে তাহলে সেই ক্ষেত্রে এটা
Sir.
পিরামিড ভি
sir.
শেপ হয়ে যাবে।
ইয়েস স্যার। স্যার
bond
বন্ড
angle
অ্যাঙ্গেলটা
স্যার
119.5
ডিগ্রি স্যার।
119.5
19.5
নরমালি হওয়ার কথা কত ছিল?
180 ডিগ্রি হওয়ার কথা ছিল স্যার নরমালি।
Right. So it should not be linear, right?
ইয়েস স্যার, একটু বেন্ড হয়ে
Thank
থাকবে,
you.
ভি
Thank
শেপ।
you. So this is you already come up with your very good point that due to the presence of lone pair, SO2 will not be linear, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Rather, it will be what type of hybridization may be happen? How many
Sir,
lone
sp2
pair is there?
hybridization, sir. Sir, sp2 hybridization is here, sir.
sp2 hybridization. How many lone pair is present there?
ওয়ান লোন পেয়ার।
One lone pair, right? So that will be sp2 hybridization, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
The
So
bond angle will be, sir, 119 degrees.
right. Yes, you are right. So that will be so due to the presence of one lone pair, the hybridization will be SO2, hybridization will be sp2, and then bond angle will be 119. How about beryllium F2, BF2, BeF2? BeF2 is actually the
হাইব্রিডাইজেশন।
linear, and that will be 180. Okay.
ইয়েস স্যার।
So I hope things are clear to you now. Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So
স্যার সিটিতে
I
কয়টা কোশ্চেন থাকবে স্যার?
সিটি তোমাদের 20 মার্কসের কোশ্চেন হবে না, 20 মার্কসের কোশ্চেন হবে। সো মেবি দা 4টা কোশ্চেন থাকতে পারে, সেক্ষেত্রে 4টা কোশ্চেন থাকলে 5 করে থাকবে, 3টাও থাকতে পারে, 5টাও থাকতে পারে, 5টা থাকলে 4 করে থাকবে, এরকম আর কি।
ওকে স্যার।
রাইট। তোমাদের আচ্ছা আরেকটা ব্যাপার আছে, তোমাদের সিটি কবে জানো?
স্যার সামনে টিউসডে, পরশুদিন।
টিউসডেতে কোন সময় টাইম দেয়া আছে?
স্যার আফটার টি ব্রেক, মিসেলেনিয়াস পিরিয়ডে।
কোন টাইম এটা?
Sir, 11:45.
11:45,
টাইমটা বলো তো।
স্যার 11:45 থেকে
11:45 থেকে
12:40।
12:40। কিভাবে এটা তোমরা টাইমটা জানলা? নরমালি তো 8টা থেকে 9টা হয়, 8টা থেকে 8:50।
স্যার আমাদের সিটি রুটিনে এভাবে দেওয়া আছে।
টাইম উল্লেখ করা আছে, বাট আমি যে শিডিউল পেয়েছি ওখানে তো টাইম উল্লেখ করা নাই। তোমাদের শিডিউলে কি টাইম উল্লেখ করে দিয়ে রাখা আছে?
ইয়েস স্যার।
আপডেট দিয়ে দাও স্যার।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। 11:45 থেকে 12:40, রাইট?
Yes, sir.
আমি একটু চেক করে দেখি আমার ওই সময় ক্লাস আছে কিনা। টিউসডেতে না, টিউসডেতে 11:45 থেকে 12:40। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, ক্লাস নাই, নেওয়া যাবে। ওকে ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ। তারপরও আমি কনফার্ম হব যে তোমাদের অ্যাকচুয়ালি টাইমিংটা কোন সময়। আর যদি তোমাদের তোমরা কি অলরেডি কেউ সিটি যেই সফট কপি আছে না তোমাদের কাছে সিটি স্কেডিউলের?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can someone upload in the Google Classroom? Then I can see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, later on you may upload in the Google Classroom. I want to see that one. Then we want to confirm. Okay, it's no problem if it is 11:45 to 12:40. Then we can take, no problem. I don't have class that time, so there will be no overlapping. Okay, thank you. So let's conclude here this chapter. We'll start new chapter that will we'll start and then we'll continue in next class. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
New chapter, organic compounds and their nomenclature, right? This the things in this chapter is actually very well known to you. What kind of compounds is called organic compound? Do you know?
Containing carbon.
Very good. Any other characteristics of organic compound?
কার্বনের দুজনই চার্জ থাকবে সবসময়।
কার্বন কার্বন বন্ড থাকতে হবে, তাই না? কার্বন কার্বন বন্ড না থাকলেও শুধু কার্বন থাকলে হবে, যেমন CH4, রাইট? বাট মোস্ট অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ডে কার্বন কার্বন বন্ড আছে বা কার্বন হাইড্রোজেন বন্ড আছে, রাইট? ওকে, তারপরে আর কি কি ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স থাকতে পারে অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ড?
আর মোস্টলি কম্পোজড অফ কার্বন, নাইট্রোজেন আর অক্সিজেন স্যার।
এটা হলো, তারপরে
Sir, catenation, carbon
তারপরে
chain.
ক্যাটায়ন তৈরি করে, চেইন রিঅ্যাকশন হয়, তারা সার্কুলারও হয় অনেক সময়, চক্রাকার, রাইট? নন পোলার হয়, রাইট? অর্গানিক কম্পাউন্ডস গুলো
Yes, sir.
কোনগুলো পোলার হয় জানো?
Inorganic compounds.
Very good. So if we divide those organic compounds, you already studied this in HSC. That's why I'm going fast. Aliphatic compounds, right? What kind of compound is called aliphatic compound? Open chain carbon organic compounds, right? Open chain, right? Open chain compounds, those are called aliphatic compound. Some are saturated and unsaturated compound, right? This is saturated compound. This is unsaturated. These two are unsaturated compound. Why this is called saturated and why this is called unsaturated?
Saturated compound cannot.
In saturated compounds, there is no presence of pi bond, right?
Yes, sir.
And other two has pi bond. What kind of compound will be called aromatic compound?
So aromatic compounds show special type of unsaturation.
Right. So benzene is one of the example of aromatic compound, right?
Yes, sir. And so aromatic compounds follow Huckel's rule.
Very cool. Very good. Yes. So some examples is given here, right? Alicyclic compound. Alicyclic compound.
Cyclic but not aromatic.
Cyclic but not aromatic and saturated, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That means there is no presence of pi bond, isn't it? Right.
And sir, there is no element except carbon and hydrogen in the
Carbon and hydrogen also. Very good. Heterocyclic compound.
So
In
when
the
there is an
organic compound?
extrinsic compound in cyclism.
Yes, in the ring itself, there would be, other than carbon, there are some other element that is called heterocyclic compound, right? So these are the different type of organic compounds. We also studied the nomenclature, right? Have you studied nomenclature in
Yes,
HSC?
sir.
Okay. This is what type of element or compound? Sorry, compounds. Aldehyde, right? This is aldehyde group.
Aldehyde.
This is aldehyde group, right?
Yes, sir.
So in case of aldehyde, we say Al we use, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. And how about this one? The previous one? This one. There is no saturation, right? All are so no unsaturation. All are saturated bond, and there are 3 branches present, right? Chlorine, bromine, and nitro group, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if it is nitrohexane, then we can count as 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 5 nitrohexane. So can we count in other way? 2 chloro, 3 bromo, 5
No, sir.
nitrohexane.
Alphabetic way. We should consider alphabetic way. B comes before C.
So it should be alphabetic, right? So B come first and C come later, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. How about 5 nitro, 3 bromo,
No,
2-chlorohexane.
No, sir. You
Why
don't
not?
have one. See alphabetically.
Alphabetically. So this is basically nitrohexane because nitro group is the more active group. That's why it will be named after nitro, and other two will become as alphabetically, and in between there will be some dash, right?
Yes, sir.
Or hyphen. So this one, if we take a look here, these two will be the lowest number, right? This one is the main function, so it will be the lowest number. So start from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right?
Yes, sir.
In the number 2 carbon, there is a double bond present. That's why it is named as butene. You know butene. So this is 4-butene, isn't it? This is butene. So in butene, number 2, in the number 2, there is double bond. That's why it will be called as 2-butene. And because there is a presence of aldehyde group, that's why it will be called as 2-butenyl, right?
Right, sir.
How about this one? Explain.
Sir, it was pentine for,
It is aldehyde group, right?
yes, sir.
This is triple bond in number 3 carbon. So pentine, in case of triple bond, we say pentine, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentine, right? So in case of triple bond, that will be called as pentine, but the triple bond is present in number 3 carbon. That's why it will called 3-pentine. And because that is that has the aldehyde group, that's why it will be called as pentynyl, isn't it?
Pentynyl.
Right. Let's go to other side, other page. How about this one? There is a presence of triple bond and double bond, both.
Yes, sir.
This is if we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right?
Right, sir.
So the 1-pentene, 4-ine. So 1 is for the double bond, 1-pentene, and 4-ine means the triple bond, right?
Right,
How
sir.
about this one?
Sir, organic acid.
This is organic acid. This is carboxylic acid. And if we continue from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 amino, 5 methyl hexanoic acid, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, please, I will upload this one and please go through the materials. I hope you can understand these things because you have studied the things in HSC also. If you find any problem, let's discuss in next class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. I want to conclude here. Time is almost up. So if you have any more question. Question, please. Regarding city or other thing.